Hello everyone! In this video I'll be making flour shortbread cookies. This is a very simple and easy recipe and the result is always beautiful and delicious. As always, I'll list the ingredients below the video. I mix sugar with sour cream. I add vanilla sugar and baking powder to the flour and mix well. I pour the flour into a bowl and add the butter. First I mix with a spatula, then rub it into crumbs with my hands. I add 1 egg yolk, sour cream, and sugar. I mix and knead the dough. It should turn out just like in the video. I visually divide the dough in half, then separate a smaller piece. This piece will be used for the chocolate dough. I wrap the larger piece in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. In a clean bowl, I add ground coffee and cocoa, then pour in water and mix until smooth. I take the smaller piece of dough and mix it with the cocoa coffee mixture until it's uniform. I divide each dough into 16 equal pieces using a scale. I'll specify the exact weight of each piece below the video. I roll each piece into a round ball. I cover them with plastic wrap and put them in the fridge while I shape the cookies so the dough doesn't melt. I roll out the light dough into a circle about 2.5 inches in diameter. I place the dark dough in the center, lift the white dough, and pinch the edges well. I flip it over and roll it out a bit with a rolling pin. I make 5 cuts because the flower will have 5 petals. I pinch the edges and use a knife to make a pattern. I transfer the cookies to a baking sheet. Take a chicken egg yolk and use a brush to apply it to the center of the flowers. Then sprinkle poppy seeds on top. I bake in a preheated oven. The baking time and temperature will be listed below the video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. See you soon.